In this video, our technical analysis for the Bitcoin price has met our target exactly as predicted. But guys, we are also going to dive into this video and understand why you should not be waiting for the Bitcoin bottom. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba previously we were actually monitoring this falling channel, and diba sabi ko sa inyo, if we break this channel, then our target is more likely going to be the top of the channel, which is around the 38.1k. And then look at that, we met our target exactly as predicted. So congratulations guys if you've traded this upon this falling channel breakout. And diba sabi ko din sa inyo, on top of that, meron din tayong nakikitang bullish divergence which has actually played out. And diba previously, we were actually monitoring this if it's either break, kasi kung di natin siya na break, then we might consolidate ito further. But since we have broken this falling channel, then the 38k was our target. So right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price? So as you can see, if you're going to zoom out dito sa ating 4-hour time frame, you can see na right now the 50MA is now actually playing out na nga dito sa ating 4-hour time frame. So it's either now we are going to get rejected dito. So right now, this is a decision time for the Bitcoin price if we are going to get rejected by the 50MA. Because if not, then yeah, we can actually consolidate ito further. Just like what we saw dun sa previous movement ni Bitcoin price action. Na-hold natin yung line na yan, we actually consolidated above the 50MA. Pero remember, if di natin siya na-consolidate, then we might see a breakdown dito kay Bitcoin price similar to what we saw dito. So right now, if we need to monitor this 50MA, if we are going to break this, kasi if we are able to break this, then dun tayo siguro mag-open ng long. Pero if let's say na-reject siya, and let's say we went down, then that is a good shorting opportunity. But as of the time being, you need to be patiently waiting this one out if we are going to see a breakout dito kay Bitcoin. Kasi if we did, then that is our next opportunity for the Bitcoin price action. So that is what we are going to monitor right now for the Bitcoin price action, especially na we are seeing that movement in the 4-hour time frame. But guys, ito yung gusto ko pag-usapan natin ngayon dito sa video, which is why you should not be waiting out for the Bitcoin bottom. So, as you can see, the Bitcoin price action has been declining pretty much for the past few weeks na nga. And we actually don't have an exact way on understanding what is the Bitcoin bottom, but we do have a data model on understanding where is the Bitcoin bottom. However, this is the problem with the market. There are no guarantees that this will actually play out. We have a data model. It can give us an idea on what can expect, but it does not guarantee that it will go there. So, with that being said, waiting out for the Bitcoin bottom is not always the most practical thing to do. It's an ideal thing na pwede mo abangan and you can actually wait that one out. Pero the problem with that is there are no guarantees with that area. Kasi we have a data model indicating that that was a bottom. Pero what if let's say nag-trend reversal na tayo dito tapos hindi natin na-hit yung bottom na yon, then ang nangyayari is na pag-iwanan tayo ng Bitcoin dip. So, ang more likely reasons kung bakit mo inaabangan yung Bitcoin bottom is because of greed na talaga. May mga iba na mag-aabang talaga na umabot si Bitcoin ng 20k. Sasabihin nila, hindi mo na ako bibili. Abang ko muna mag 20k si Bitcoin. So, ang mangyayari sa ganun, hindi mo na ako bibili not unless mag 20k. What if hindi na siya umabot ng 20k? So, sobrang greedy nyo nakakaabang, hindi na kayo tuloy nakabili ng Bitcoin or hindi na kayo nakabili ng kahit anong asset. So, in that case, waiting out for the Bitcoin bottom is not always the practical thing to do. Rather, the best thing to do is to divide your money. Let's say meron kang 10,000 pesos or let's say meron kang 1,000 pesos. Hatiin mo siya into different buying orders. Let's say, yung 1,000 mo, divide mo siya into 3 buying orders. In 30% ton, mag-buy ka ngayon. Another 30%, pag bumagsak siya ulit ng 34k, dun mo siya iset. And then another 30%, if let's say, this drops lower than 30k, then dun ka ulit bumili. So, ayun yung ating way in entering the market. So, what we do is we don't wait out for the Bitcoin bottom. Rather, we strategize on what can we do when the Bitcoin price is declining. Kasi typically, whenever na we are in a downtrend, that is where you buy. Regardless kung anong level siya bumagsak. Regardless kung saan siya bumagsak. What matters the most is you are able to maximize the bearish opportunity. Kasi remember, bull markets can make you money, but bear markets can make you rich. Kasi by the time Bitcoin starts recovering and nakakita tayo ng movement to the upside, as you can see, the people who have bought the dip are the ones who has the most to gains. Kasi tingnan nyo, kahit bumili ka ngayon and then let's say bumalik si Bitcoin sa previous all-time high, you can actually see na kumita ka na ng 81% na. and let's say bumili ka ng dip noong 48k, as you can see, kahit bumili ka ng 48k tapos bumalik tayo sa previous all-time high, you can see na you are still in profits at least 44%. Nakita nyo na regardless kung saan tayo bumili, regardless kung anong level ka nag-enter, you are in profits dito. So with that sense, gagawin talaga natin dito is talaga magbabay tayo at each and every support levels, and we are going to maximize those each and every opportunity kasi regardless, kahit saan siya bumagsak, kahit saan siya pumunta, either way, the people who are going to buy dito are the ones who has the most to gains kasi of course, regardless kung saan tayo bumalik sa future, makita nyo na you are already in profits. Now, as you can see, the Bitcoin price has already been oversold, and then if you're going to look at the RSI, bagsak na bagsak tayo, and the previous times in history na naging ganun kabagsak tayo was this period na sobrang bagsak na yung market, and then during this time, people were thinking of selling na, sell na, babagsak pa lalo, sell na tayo. Babagsak na si Bitcoin to $1,000, mag-sell ka na lalo. Yun yung sinasabi ng mga tao nun. Pero what happened that time was, hindi na siya bumagsak further. In fact, nung nangyari nung bumagsak si Bitcoin, nang sobrang bagsak, tapos ang daming fears doon sa buong market, ang nangyari is, yun na pala yung naging bottom ni Bitcoin. So in that case, nung bumagsak si Bitcoin nun, tapos ang daming tao na nag-abang na, ang dami nagsasabi na pupunta pa si Bitcoin ng $1,000, yung mga nag-abang ng 1K, hindi na tuloy nakabili kasi ang nangyari nun afterwards is umakit na si Bitcoin pataas up until na $60,000. So as you can see, yung mga nag-aabang pa talaga na bababa pa si Bitcoin, sila yung mga hindi talaga nakabili na dun sa price action na yun. So with that being said, as you can see, as much as possible, you should be buying now and then reallocate some portion of it para if let's say pag bumagsak palalo, at least may bala ka pa pang bili. And then tingnan nyo to guys, regardless kung saan siya bumagsak, regardless kung ilang beses ka bumili ng dip, regardless kung ilang beses ka bumagsak, tingnan nyo to guys. Kahit bumili ka ng $7,000, $6,000, $5,000, $4,000, $3,000, it doesn't matter in the long run. Ngayon si Bitcoin na sa $37,000, pero let's say sabihin mo na nakabili ka ng 7,000, nakabili ka ng 8,000, nakabili ka ng 9,000, nakabili ka ng 3,000, it doesn't matter. Kasi as much as possible, nabili mo yung Bitcoin during that period na bagsak yung market. Sasabihin ng mga tao na, grabe ang tibay mo, nakabili ka during those period. Grabe, kakaiba talaga na naabutan mo yung bottom, sana ako din. Well, nakikita nyo, di ba guys, yung mga people na bumibili during the dip, regardless kung anong level, regardless kung ilang beses sila bumili, sila talaga yung mga talagang nakapag-maximize ng market. And that is why you don't wait out for the bottom. What you do is you dollar cost average during the bearish sentiment, and that is why you should be buying right now instead of selling your Bitcoin, instead of waiting out for the Bitcoin bottom. Kasi let's face this guys, let's say bumalik tayo sa 60k or 70k or 80k, ang daming tao manghihinayang na sasabihin nila, sana pala nakabili ako ng Bitcoin ng 38k, sana nakabili ako ng Bitcoin ng 35k, sana nakabili ako ng 33k. Regardless kung anong 30k levels, di ba napansin nyo guys, regardless kung anong levels siya, what matters the most is nakabili ka ng bagsak. It doesn't matter kung anong level ka nakabili, and it doesn't matter kung 20k, 19k, 15k, 28k, it doesn't matter. At least guys, naka-enter kayo sa market noong time na bagsak yung market, and that is why you don't wait out for the Bitcoin bottom, and what you do is you buy the dip using dollar cost average strategy lang talaga. And then ngayon, tatanungin mo sa sarili mo is, bagsak yung market, ano ba yung gagawin ko para hindi ko mabenta yung aking mga Bitcoin positions ko? Well, in that case, ang pwede mong gawin is actually to stake your coins, and the best place to stake your coins is actually in crypto.com. Kasi dito, kay crypto.com, if you're going to stake your coins, you can earn actually up to 14.5 interest per annum upon staking your coins, and then 14% on stable coins. And then ang kagandahan dito, if you're going to stake their native token, which is CRO, you can actually get their beautiful metal Visa card na it is only available for crypto.com users. And if you want to claim bonus dito kay crypto.com, you can actually claim up to $50 bonus if you're going to use my sign-up code na you can find in the description down below, or just use my sign-up code, which is Gabbal Crypto, and then you are going to claim $50 bonus, $25 bonus upon signing up, and then another 25 if you're going to get this beautiful metal Visa card. So ayun guys, hopefully nabigyan kayo ng light on why you should not be waiting out for the Bitcoin bottom, and what you should do is you should be buying the dip, and if na-buy nyo na yung dip, just hodl lang and then just take your coins kasi as much as possible, if you're going to look back in time, pag bumalik na tayo ng 60k, sasabihin ng mga tao doon na lahat naman nakabili below 40k ay sobrang swerte kasi remember, it doesn't matter kung saang area ka nakabili. What matters the most is nakabili ka during the bearish sentiment ng market. So ayun muna video natin for today guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.